So the Toronto Real Estate Board has released their real estate market report for September, and you might be asking yourself, are things improving? Are we moving in the right direction? Well, let me provide you with a broker's perspective as we look at the data. If you don't know me, my name is Mark McLean. I am the broker of record here at Kick Realty here in Ontario, and I'm a 32-year veteran of the real estate industry. I served as president of the Toronto Regional Real Estate Board in 2015-2016, and I was a director at large at TRREB as well. Here's where we are today. I mean, clearly sales activity is going up. We had 5,592 sales this month, and that's up 8.5% from a year ago, which was up 8.5% from the year before that. And it seems that interest rate direction has a lot to do with that. So that seems pretty positive, but it's nowhere near the nearly 9,000 plus sales from September 2021. So we are still down like 60% from then. Prices continue to trend lower, however. Going back to the same period in 2021, the average sale price was almost 1.14 million. In 2023, it fell to 1.12 million, and then 1.1 million, and now 1.06 million. So from the peak. So when you do the math, the average price decline is only about 7%. It's not crazy. There are probably a lot of people waiting for those big price drops, but this demonstrates how small those drops have actually been. And what we know is that prices go up as interest rates drop. Now, have we seen the bottom? It's hard to say. Consumer confidence and job security have been taking a bit of a beating lately. So in theory, prices could come down some more until people collectively think we are out of the woods. As always, there are differences between the 416 and the 905, and between the freehold and the condo market. Now, generally, there are many more freehold sales in the 905 and many fewer condo sales, and that makes sense since there's more land outside the city to build on, and if you want space, you move to the 905. And across all housing types, the 905 is less expensive. But it's still, it's important to see how those prices are trending. You know, for me, this is where the story gets interesting. For instance, detached homes in the 905 have fallen 14% since 2021 and only 5% in the 416, while condos in the 905 fell 10% and 7.5% in the 416 in the same time frame. And I think this indicates a bit more volatility in the 905. And frankly, I would have expected a much bigger decline in condo values downtown, given the general state of the condo market today. Now, as I've mentioned in a separate post, there is evidence that the downtown condo market is getting ready for significant price appreciation. Now, it's hard to pinpoint exactly when this will happen, but consider two facts. Yes, immigration levels are down, but Toronto is still expected to receive about 100,000 more people each year, and the majority of them are expected to be highly skilled workers. Also, the new condo market, that hose has been literally shut off as builders move towards more rental construction. But over the next 5 years, the number of new condo deliveries will be extremely low. And we all know the laws of supply and demand. Fewer new condos will strain availability and drive up prices. Now, we are still in a busy fall market. I am seeing a lot of deals crossing my desk right now. So activity should carry through October, and there are a number of factors that lead me to believe that market sentiment will improve. In summary, it's hard to know if we are out of the weeds right now, but I am feeling pretty optimistic.